So you want to buy a house and you don't have any money saved up for a down payment. I'm your girl. My name is Ashley Corville and I'm here with the Complete Mortgage team. I have been in mortgages for over 18 years and I have helped hundreds of people purchase a home with little to no money down, and I want to help you do the same. Now, there are lots of loan programs out there, and we're going to go through all of them at some point in this series, so feel free to check the others out. But I want to discuss with you today our FHA loan program. FHA is a loan program backed by the Federal Housing Administration. It was in effect in the early 1900s to help people purchase homes with lower than a 20% down payment. See, this loan program only requires a 3.5% down payment. And so for somebody with just a little bit of money saved up, they can get started. This loan program is also helpful for people that have less than perfect credit. So you've had some credit issues in the past, and maybe you've missed some late payments, or you've had some issues several years ago with metal collections. No problem. You will likely still be eligible for this loan. Now, how do we get started? It's just like every other pre-approval process. We're going to need you to apply online, get us your information so we can pull your credit. I know that seems really scary and you don't want me to pull your credit, but unfortunately, without it, I can't guide you the best way to figure out if this program or another loan program would be great for you. So, FHA. It's a 30-year fixed rate loan, which means that your payment is going to be probably as low as possible. Because it's backed by FHA, it allows for us to maintain some insurance behind us. So it just means that FHA insures the loan, allowing for lenders to be able to be a little more flexible with our underwriting guidelines. Now, this loan is not put on or using government money. It's still the lender's money. It's still my money that funds this loan, and it's still us that you're going to make the payment with. It's just that they insure it on the back end. And so if the event of a foreclosure happens, they help us out with offloading that home a little bit quicker and a little bit easier. But they do not make the decisions about the loan. They're not using their money. You don't have to give any information to the government. It's just for the back end for us. So what other options come with this? What other benefits come with this? Well, FHA is probably one of the most flexible programs we have out there. So we told you, less of a down payment, more flexible guidelines when it comes to underwriting. The underwriting process of the program goes through all the mortgage guidelines, all the rules to see if you qualify. And they're a little more flexible. We allow credit scores down to 580. And so, that's kind of on the lower end of our average credit score, and that's okay. The interest rate is based on your credit score. So the lower your credit score, you are going to pay a little bit higher of an interest rate, but it gets you into a home. Let's go through some numbers, okay? If you're purchasing a $200,000 house, well, 3.5% of that is about, a little less than $6,000, okay? So if you've got $6,000 saved up over time, or your tax return, or a parent or a brother or sister will gift you some money for down payment, then you have what's required to get going, okay? There's no special requirements other than that when it comes to the down payment. Now, the property, the home that you're looking at purchase, it does have to meet some minimum standards. We want to make sure that when you become a homeowner, you're not taking on a ton of issues or maintenance required with a home. So we're going to ensure through the appraisal that the property meets minimum safety and health hazards. So foreclosure is a little challenging to get with this program. Older homes, things with rotten wood, peeled wood, windows that don't work is a problem. But all of your standard things, as long as they work, is a great property to look at with FHA. This is a great loan program. I'd love to see if this is a good fit for you. Let's explore this as well as any of the other programs we offer. My job is to help figure out what you qualify, what your options are, and present it. I really don't care what loan program you go with. I care that you love your home and you don't hate your mortgage payment. So if you are ready to get started, just go to our website, completemortgagela.com. My team will be there to assist you. We can help you out, get started so you can become a homeowner. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we are excited to work with you. Thanks so much. Talk soon.